process we went through with eKitchens was very easy. It was a very simple process and it didn't take very long.
She was very quick to respond to any queries that we had, and we just found the whole process was very easy and straightforward.
She was very enthusiastic to work with.
We went to the showroom, we saw part of the design that we liked, and she helped us to achieve that look, and we're very happy with her.
We saw their design, their showroom, and this design is part of theirs, and she helped us to change it into what we wanted. We had a blind, which is a piece of cabinetry that didn't quite fit, and it didn't quite match with the door. So I just rang them up and they said, bring it down. I took a picture and they just changed it out straight away, no problems.
I love my new kitchen. It is fabulous. It works perfectly. Everything about it is amazing, and we are very, very happy with it.
Very, very happy with the kitchen. Exceeded all of our expectations. The quality of the cabinetry is fantastic. It's very well put together and very well designed, and I'm especially happy with the one drawer.